Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're heading straight out into the wild savanna to unpack the beautifully complex daily life of the African elephant. We're going to break down exactly what it takes for these magnificent creatures to thrive in such a demanding environment.
Picture this. It's dawn on the African savanna. The golden grasslands are just starting to glow, right? And stepping right into that cinematic light is a massive elephant, moving with this quiet, almost surprising grace. It's a beautifully peaceful start, sure, but it actually sets the stage for a seriously grueling daily trek.
Seeing that peaceful sunrise really makes you wonder, though. What does it actually take for these absolute giants to survive a single day out here? Like, what specific physical and social tools are they relying on every waking moment just to keep their families alive? Section 1, Tools for Daily Survival. Let's get right into it. So when you look closely at an African elephant, three things usually jump right out at you. Those massive ears, the trunk, and of course, those powerful tusks. But hey, these aren't just iconic silhouettes. They're actually highly specialized biological multi-tools, absolutely essential for surviving this completely unforgiving landscape. Take those ears, for example. They act as a massive natural cooling system. They literally pump blood through this intricate network of veins to lower the animal's body temperature in that blistering heat. It's brilliant. And then you've got the sheer versatility of the trunk. It's wild. One moment, it's a precision hydration tool, strong enough to draw up over 2 gallons of drinking water at a time from a rushing river. And then the next moment, it's a built-in air conditioner, spraying that water all over their huge bodies just to survive the intense savanna sun. Get this, it contains over 40,000 individual muscles. That is literally more than the entire human body. Absolutely incredible. Moving on to Section 2, the family herd dynamic. You see, African elephants aren't out there just surviving as isolated individuals. Not at all. They are incredibly intelligent creatures, bound by these intense multi-generational family bonds. They completely rely on shared knowledge and constant, ongoing communication to navigate the wild and protect each other. Out here, survival is 100% a team effort. And you can actually see this dynamic in action every single day. Just picture a massive mother, gently using her trunk to pull leaves from a high branch. Now, because the broader herd is standing guard, her babies have the total freedom to socialize and play safely right near her feet. That perfect, delicate balance of constant vigilance and gentle play, that's only possible because of the herd. Which brings us to Section 3. Foraging and traveling long distances. Look, sustaining bodies of this massive size requires a frankly staggering amount of food, sometimes up to 300 pounds of vegetation in a single day. So traveling vast distances across the grasslands isn't just them aimlessly wandering, it's an endless, rolling pursuit of nourishment. Every single day is this grueling cycle of moving, searching, and feeding, and it demands every single ounce of their physical tools and their collective herd knowledge. But as we watch them trek across the landscape, pulling down branches and crossing rivers, it really raises a much bigger question. How does all this constant, heavy movement actually impact the broader savanna ecosystem? Let's look at Section 4, Vital Role in the Ecosystem. Because of their sheer size alone, not to mention their long-distance travels, and their habit of just pulling down entire branches, elephants are constantly re-engineering their environment. They don't just live in the wild savanna, they actively cultivate it. Their daily survival routine actually shapes the terrain and sustains habitats for countless other species around them. It's like a giant puzzle where they are the centerpiece. So, to wrap up this explainer, I want you to think about this. Knowing what we now know about their unbreakable family bonds, their wildly unique physical adaptations, and those grueling daily routines, are these graceful giants actually the essential architects keeping the entire savanna alive? It completely shifts how you view that sunrise stroll, doesn't it? Thanks for joining me on this one, and definitely keep asking those big questions about our wild world.